human labor will not be replaced. Human creativity cannot be replaced by AI or Gen AI, but ideally we can really make the best use of technology to let it help us work better, solve issues that we haven't fundamentally solved. And there are many issues in our world that we should start focusing on. The major thing is this itself, so AI cannot be used to replace human labor. We are creative creatures, and we live in a world where we're required to work, and working not only in the labor strict narrow sense, but also creating and collaborating together. Another thing has to do with diversity. It's important to ensure that people will have access to AI from different sources of the human population in order to be represented in technology, and in order to make sure that technology creates value, products, services, and solutions for all types of people, not the stereotypical people that it mostly serves right now. So that's the number one thing, making sure that automation does not disproportionately replace specific ethnic or racial groups, like women, as I said before, that they're much more prone to automation because most women work in these automation-heavy jobs. So it's really a matter of making sure collectively that we tackle these issues, because then we'll reach back to the first point that I made, technology enhancing the injustice that exists right now, amplifying it in our analogous world. And that's not a scenario that none of us basically wants to see happening. I think that we're slowly merging and blending technology with society. And I think that there are many ways to see it. The first way to see it is making sure that technology is helping us resolve the issues that we haven't done so far, also locating biases or assisting groups that need help. And the second thing is actually augmenting the issues that we already have and making sure that these issues are actually enhanced in the digital world. So I think that we'll be forced to have more collective discussions about the role of technology and how will technology help us evolve towards a better, human species overall. Absolutely. I think AI, the way it's built and the way it has evolved, it's not really trying to mimic human behavior, right? It's mimicking one aspect of human capacity or how the brain works or intelligence works. And that has to do with data, absorbing data and being dependent on data. But we know that humans are not only data dependent people. We know that we have emotion, we have consciousness. And this human touch is one of the main reasons why we're not using AI for the customer service to its greater extent. So I aspire that we'll start moving and progressing towards something that has a bit of a human touch more.